How to make money with AI influencers on Instagram. I'm going to show you how to make money with AI influencers on Instagram. Create or collaborate with an AI influencer. Build or partner with a virtual influencer, creating engaging content for your target audience. Brand partnerships. Reach out to brands for paid sponsorships or product promotions using AI influencer. Affiliate marketing. Promote products with affiliate links and earn commission from sales through your influencer's posts. Sponsored content. Get paid by businesses to create sponsored posts tailored to your influencer's niche. Sell merchandise. Use your AI influencer to promote and sell custom merch or digital products. Instagram features. Utilize tools like Instagram Shopping to promote products directly. These strategies help you monetize AI influencers on Instagram effectively.